Hello students, welcome back to my channel Mathematical Lens. In this particular video, we are going to discuss chapter 1, large number around us, class 7 mathematics, page number 8 and 9. It is from the new NCERT book, Ganitha Prakash. So what if we press the 10 lakh button 10 times? What number will come up? How many zeros will it have? What should we call it? So the number will be 100 lakhs, which is also called as a crore. Now 1 crore is written as 1 followed by 7 zeros, right? So it is an 8-digit number. Now of crores and crores. So here there is a table which shows some numbers according to both the system, Indian system as well as American system, which is also known as international place value system. So let us try to understand this table. Now if we see 1000, 1000. So 1000 is same in both the system. Even 10,000 is same in both the system. So till 10,000 actually it is same in both the system, Indian as well as American system. We call it as 10,000. There is no separate name in both the system. Now the change is from 6 digits, right? So here 1 followed by 5 zeros. In Indian system it is known as 1 lakh, and here it is known as 100,000. In the American system it is known as 100,000, right? Then 1 followed by 6 zero, it is known as 10 lakh in Indian system, and in American system it is known as 1 million. Now also observe the commas which are put, which I will discuss a little later. I'll explain you in detail. But in Indian system it is 3, 2, 2, and in international system it is 3, 3, like that. Okay. Then we come to 1 crore. So 1 followed by 7 zeros. So in Indian system it is 1 crore, and in American system it is 10 million, right? Then 1 followed by 8 zeros. In Indian system it is 10 crores, and in American system it is 100 million. Then 1 followed by 9 zeros. In Indian system it is known as 1 Arab, or you can say 100 crores. Okay, and in American system it is known as 1 billion. So 1 billion, where 1 is followed by 9 zeros. Now, as I explained just now, you can notice the Indian system pattern is from the right side. If we start 3, 2, 2, 2, like that's the pattern to put the commas and to separate the blocks, the groups, that is the thousands, lakhs, crores, like that. While in American system, it is, the pattern is 3, 3, 3, 3 from right to left. And it is thousands, millions, billions, the commas separate the groups, right? Now the Indian system of naming number, it is followed in many countries like Bhutan, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Maldives, Afghanistan, and Myanmar. Now where does this word originate from? So the word lakh and crore, they originate from Sanskrit word. That is, lakh is laksh and koti means crore, right? Now American system is also followed in many countries, right? So we'll just recap this once, that the number of zeros in 1 lakh and 1 crore. So 1 lakh has 1 lakh, 1 followed by 5 zeros, and 1 crore, 1 followed by 7 zeros. This you need to remember. It would be easier for you. Now, you have to remember this in relation with each other. So 1 lakh is 100 times 1,000. Okay, 100 times 1,000 is 1 lakh. 1 crore is 100 times a lakh. And an Arab is 100 times a crore, right? That is 100,000 is 1 lakh, 100 lakh is 1 crore, and 100 crore is 1 Arab, right? Let's try to answer the questions, 2 questions which are given here. How many zeros does 1,000 lakh have? So what are you supposed to do? Just count the zeros of 1,000. So there are 3 zeros in 1,000 and 5 zeros in lakh. So 3 plus 5 is total 8 zeros are there, right? Simple. Now what is this 8 digit, the number with 8 zeros known as? It is 10 crores, right? Now there is another question. How many zeros does 100,000 have? So 100,000 means 100 has 2 zeros and 1,000 has 3 zeros. So total how many zeros are there? 5 zeros, correct? Okay. And now 5 zeros. So 1 followed by 5 zeros is what? 1 lakh, right? Correct. So the number, now here there is a number given 9876501234. It can be easily read by placing commas first. Now, if the number is given like this, it is very difficult to read. But if you put proper commas, it would be very easy for you to read. So, first we'll do according to the Indian system. So, before 3 digits, then 222, right? So, if we follow Indian system, so this is ones block, then thousands block, lakhs block, crores block, and Arabs block. So whatever is there in between the commas, it has to be read together. So this is 9 Arab, 87 crores, 65 lakhs, 1,000, 01 it is, so 1,234, right? So this is in the Indian system. Now we'll do the same number in according to American system. Now see the commas before 3. The pattern is 333. So before 3 digits from the right side, we'll put commas. And now this is ones block. This is thousands block. This is millions block. And this is billions block. So the numbers between the block, and again repeating, it has to be read together. And then put the place value. So 9,876,501,234. Right? Now we'll try to solve the figure it out exercise which is given. But before that, let us just revise the place value system which is given over here. You can just see that this is ones block. First we'll understand the Indian place value system. So ones block, ones, tens, 100. Then thousands block has 2 digits, 1,000, 10,000. Lakhs block again has 2 digits, so lakh, 10 lakh. Then crore, 10 crore, right? And after that will be Arab. Then the international place value system, or you can call it as American system. So this is ones block in which has ones, tens, hundreds. Now you remember there should be 3 digits next because they follow the pattern of 3, 3. So thousands block again has 3 digits. So it is thousands block, 10,000s block, and then 100,000s block. Then comes millions block. So million, 10 million, 100 million. Similarly, next would be billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. So it goes on like that, right? So this was just a recap. Now we'll start solving the questions, the exercise which is given. So first we'll try to solve the first question which is given. So here they have given the number 4050678. So first what we will do, we will write according to the Indian system. So we need to put commas according to the pattern 3, 2, 2. So this number will be 40,50,678, right? Just observe the commas. Now the same number we'll write according to the American system and put commas according to the pattern 3, 3, 3. So now according to the American system, it is 4,50,678, right? Now we'll try do the next question. I hope you have understood. So the next question, first we'll do it according to the Indian system. So we first place the commas 3, 2, 2, 1. So 4 crore, you can see this is ones block, this is thousands block, lakhs block, and crores block. So 4 crore, 81 lakh, 21,620. Now the same number according to the American system. So 3, we have put commas 3, 3, 2. So this is ones block, thousands block, and millions block. So 48,121,620. Correct? So let us see the third question. Now first we'll do according to the Indian place value system. So 3, 2, 2, 1 is the pattern. So if you observe again, ones block, this is ones block, then thousands block, lakhs block and crores block. So this is 2 crore. There's nothing in lakhs, so we don't write anything. 22,002. That would be in the Indian system. Now the American system, 332 is the commas we place. So this is ones block, 002, then 022, thousands block and millions block. So 20 million, 22,002 is the answer. Now the next question, number D, Indian place value system. So 322 is the pattern we follow. Ones, thousands, lakhs and crore. So 24 crore, 68 lakh, 13,579. Right? Then American system, 333, we get the commas according to the pattern 333. So 246,813,579. Right? Next question, number E. First we write according to the Indian place value system. So you can see here 34 crore, 50 lakh, there's nothing in thousand. Then so we leave that and we write 543. Now American system for the same number. So see that 333, so 345, this is millions block, so 345 million, there's nothing in thousands, and directly we'll write 543. So 345 million, 543 is the answer. Question F, Indian place value system. Let us put the commas. Here the number of digits have increased. So this is ones block, thousands block, lakhs block, crores block, then comes the Arabs block. So 1 Arab, 2 crore, 3 lakh, 4,050. That is the Indian place value system. Now the American place value system. So we see the commas after 333. So this is ones block, thousands block, millions block and billions block. So 1 billion, 20 million, 304,050 is the answer. Question number 2. Write the following numbers in the Indian place value notation. Right? So here the number names are given and we'll write it in the numerical form. So first is 1 crore, 1 lakh, 1,010. Right? So 1 crore, comma, 1 lakh. So write 01, comma, 01 for 1,000, comma, it is 10. So for hundreds you'll write 0, so 0, 1, 0. Right? This is the numerical form. Now the second question is 1 million, 1 million, 1,001. Now the question is given in American system and answer is asked in the Indian place value system. So what we will do, on the left hand side we first write in the American system with the commas. 1 comma, it is 1 billion and 1 million, so 001 for million, comma, 1,000, so 001, and again it is 1, so 001. Now the same number on the right side, which will be your answer, we will write all the digits first. So 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Now just put the commas according to the Indian system. You remember 3, 2, 2. And the last digit is left is 1. So this is, you can say ones block, thousands block, lakhs block, crores block and Arabs block. So 1 Arab, 10 lakh, 1,001. Right, in the Indian system. We did not write the number name. I'm just reading it for you. Now question C, 10 crore, 20 lakh, 30,000, 40. So 10 crore, so we'll write 10 first, then put comma. Then 20 lakhs, so 2020, comma. Then 30,000, so 3030, comma. It is 40. So you'll write 040, right? This is the third answer. Now again, question D is given in American system. So we'll write on the left hand side for us to understand. So it is 9 million, 9, comma, 80 million. So it is 080. Remember there should be 3 digits. So 080, comma, 700,000. 700. So you write 700, comma, 600. Now the same number we will copy here on the right side and we'll write 9080700,600. Now put commas according to the Indian system. So you get the answer 3, then before 2 digits, then again before 2 digits, again before 2 digits. So you can see this is again 9 arab, 8 crore, 7 lakhs, 600 is the answer. Question number 3. Compare and write which is greater, less, or it is equal to. So the first question is 30,000 is greater or 3 lakh is greater. So what we will do, 30,000 will write on this side. 30,000 and this is 3 lakh. So 3, comma, 0, 0, comma, 0, 0, 0. So here 3 lakh has 5 zeros and 30,000 has only 4 zeros. So naturally 3 lakh is greater. Okay. Now let us do the second question. This is 500 lakh. So how to write 500 lakh? So 500 you will write first and then for lakh you will put 5 zeros. So 0, 0, comma, 0, 0, 0. And 5 million, you know that 1 million contains 6 zeros. So 5 and comma and put 6 zeros. Now compare the number of zeros. Here there are 6 zeros and here there are 7 zeros. So naturally 500 lakh is greater than 5,000. Okay. Now question number C, 800,000. So 800 and 3 zeros for 1,000. This we have written on this side 8 million. So 8 million, how many zeros will be there? 8, comma, 6 zeros. So 8 million has 6 zeros and 800,000 has only 5 zeros. So 8 million is greater, right? Now question number D, 640 crore. So 640 crore. So first you should write 640 and then for crores you will write 7 zeros. Right, so this is 640 you should write as it is and 7 zeros for the crores. Now 60 billion. So first write 60 as it is, right? And then for billion you will put 9 zeros. This is for million, 3 zeros for million, 3 zeros for thousands and 3 zeros for ones. This is the way you should remember how to put number of zeros. So here there are 10 zeros and here the number of digits are also less, right? So 60 billion is greater, right? So this is the last question. So we complete the video over here. For the further exercises, you can watch the next video, upcoming video. Bye bye for now.